IBLIB Educations, a website which provides free study material and allows you to test yourself with thousands of questions and generate a real-time assessment report. Oh my god, you should definitely try this. But the question is, how will you get all these benefits in one single website? Well, the solution is simple. You simply need to register on IBLIB.com, which is absolutely free. And how you will register? Let's find out in this video. You can start by simply entering IBLIB.com on your favorite browser. Once the website is open, click on Login button. Now you have two options to register yourself. I will show you both options. First method is you have to click on Free Sign Up. You will redirect it on our registration page. Here you can fill your details. Don't worry, it's safe and secure. Once you are done with filling all the details on our registration form, you have to click on Sign Up, which is registration button. Now your registration process is complete, but you have to activate your account by verifying your email. For that, simply go to your mail that you have entered in the registration form. Here you will receive an email. Click on the link given in the mail. This will redirect you to the new page. Now your account is activated and verified. You can simply log in. You can log in by entering your username and password, which you can choose at the time of registration. Another method to register is you can choose your Google account. Simply click on Sign in with Google button, enter your mail and password, and you are all done. So this was the whole process to register and log in. But how will you access the content of this amazing website? Well, I will answer this in my next video.